This is Chris Kettle with your Peak Fitness November Core Strength Circuit. For our first exercise, we're going to perform what is called pike. For this, you're going to need a stability ball. You're going to simply walk it out onto the ball. You can make this exercise harder by walking out farther so the ball is farther towards your feet, or easier by simply walking it in so it's closer to your knees. The main thing is you're feeling it in your stomach and you're only coming up as far as you can without rounding the back. Alright, so I'm just going to demonstrate a couple reps here. I want you to pause at the top for 1 to 2 seconds, contract your abs, think about coming back down slowly and only coming back down to the midline. So no arching of the back, no excessive arching of the back as you're coming back down. Pause, lower slowly, perform for prescribed reps and sets. Our next exercise is a stability ball straight leg sit-up. For the straight leg sit-up, I'm looking for, again, an prescribed reps. I'm squeezing the ball here. It's going to help me to tighten my abs. I'm pressing my back partially into the floor, making sure my abs are tight before I'm performing this exercise. And I'm moving slowly with this. I'm trying to keep everything on the floor, moving slowly, keeping this pressure on the ball and pressing above my head. What I don't want to see is bouncing as you come up. If you find that you're doing that, you're either too slow or we need to use a little less weight. So in that case, you might put the ball down, simply perform this exercise again. For a little bit of added resistance, we can also perform this with a dumbbell. So I'm holding this up here. Again, just pressing above my head. Don't want to get too heavy with that, but that leads into our next exercise, which is a standing chop. Alright, so for this, a standing bracing squat. So for the bracing squat, I'm holding the dumbbell about halfway out in front of me here, tightening my abs, and I'm just squatting up and down. I'm really trying to squeeze this thing, keeping my abs tight. That's the main thing. Coming up fast, down fast, up slow. Just keeping everything tight. You'll feel a good squeeze down here. Perform prescribed reps and sets. Finish up with our last exercise, the half kneeling chop. Coming down into a half kneeling stance, keeping my abs tight, bringing the dumbbell over my head, and coming back down. I want you to get it as far above the head as necessary to get a good stretch of the abs and lower slowly. I want you to perform each of those exercises back to back from anywhere from 8 to 15 reps for 3 sets and move on to your next circuit.